Going to take another haircut at the opening bell, at least. Joining us now, former Reagan economist Art Laffer. Art, I don't want to imply that this show moves the market, but we did mention and discuss rotating out of the big winners on Friday's show. So here's the question for you, Art. I just want to blow my own horn for a second there. So
you're way cool, Stuart. You're just way cool. I follow you immensely on this.
Yeah, right. Okay. Now, is this a dip, or is this the start of a really big sell-off over the whole market? What do you say?
I don't think it's a big sell-off over the whole market. I think it's a dip. It may be a fairly large dip, but these stocks have done extraordinarily well for a long time. And you do get downturns every now and then, and I don't see anything fundamental in the marketplace that would tell me we're in for a huge downturn in the overall stock market. Well, I've been wrong before, though. There's no guarantee.
But look, you're sort of going right against your former colleague David Stockman. He's the former Reagan budget director. He says the S&P could drop nearly 35%. That's a sell-off and a half. He says Wall Street's not rational right now. Why don't you respond to him?
He's been saying that for 10 years, and
that's
so
true.
far not right. But you know, every now and then even a blind pig finds an acorn, and you know, sooner or later he is going to be right, and then he'll claim victory. But the truth of the matter is, the bear market people, I just don't see the evidence out there that tells me this economy is in real trouble. I think stocks relative to their historical norms are still below where they should be, and if we get this boom that I think is going to come with Trump policies and taxes and all that, that's already, some of it's been put in, I don't see the market going down in the future.
I just want to add this as a last-minute caveat here.
Yes, sir.
We get the boom if we get the tax cuts, the infrastructure program, and the cutting of red tape. Correct?
Well, that's true. That's for sure. But we've already had a lot of changes, by the way. Just not imposing new rules is wonderful for the market. Just not kicking it and beating it and all that Obama did every year. I mean, just stopping hurting the market will do good for the market and will give us a somewhat of an increase. And then if you have some positive policies added on top of that, my goodness, this market has no place to go but up.
Okay, we'll leave it right there, Art, because I think our viewers will like to hear that. This market has nowhere to go but up. Art Laffer, everyone, on videotape. Thanks very much, Art. We'll see you again soon.